Hello guys, introduce me Reza Rahmadani. I want to present a material segment about procedure text with my friends Fatanda bin Umara. Okay, enjoy watching.
Procedure text. What is procedure text? Procedure text is a kind of text that shows a series of order of making something, doing something, or getting somewhere. Maksudnya, teks prosedur adalah jenis teks yang menunjukkan serangkaian perintah untuk membuat sesuatu, melakukan sesuatu, atau mencapai suatu tempat. Type of procedure text atau jenis teks prosedur terbagi menjadi dua, yaitu number 1, receipt procedure text, and number 2, manual procedure text. What is a receipt procedure text? Receipt procedure text is a list of ingredients and a set of instructions that tell you how to cook something. Maksudnya, receipt procedure text atau teks prosedur resep adalah daftar bahan atau instruksi yang memberitahu kita cara memasak atau membuat sesuatu. For example, let's look at the picture.
Okay friend, look at this. This is a picture of the procedure text on how to make dalgona coffee. Next, this is a generic structure of recipe. The generic structure of recipe is divided into 3 parts. The first is the goal or aim, the second is the ingredients, and the third is the step or method. What is a goal or aim? Goal or aim that contain the purpose of how to make something. Maksudnya adalah goal itu berisi tentang tujuan bagaimana cara membuat sesuatu. Okay? The second is the ingredients. What is ingredients? Ingredients is the part that describes the element we need to make something. Maksudnya adalah bahan adalah bagian yang menggambarkan unsur-unsur yang kita butuhkan untuk membuat sesuatu. And the last one is the step or method. Step or method is part describe the set of instruction maksudnya adalah metode atau langkah adalah bagian yang menggambarkan kumpulan instruksi untuk membuat sesuatu. For example, let's look at the picture.
This is an image of procedure text recipe on how to make a sandwich. How to make sandwich itu adalah bagian dari goal or aim, and then 2 slices of bread, cheddar cheese, tomato sauce, mayonnaise, tomato, lettuce leaf, include into ingredients itu termasuk ke dalam bahan, and then place a slice of bread on the plate, put the tomato sauce, add salad, slice tomato, cheddar cheese, mayonnaise, and tomato sauce. Add lettuce leaf, put a slice of bread on the top, serve it. Include into step or method itu termasuk ke dalam langkah atau metode. Language picture of recipe atau fitur kebahasaan terbagi menjadi 4. The first one is using simple present tense. The second one is using adverbial of speech or using temporal adjective. The third one is using imperative sentence or command. And the last one is using adverb of time to express detail of time.
Okay, next. The purpose of recipe atau tujuan dari resep. Yang pertama, it is used to describe how something is made in a sequence of steps, atau digunakan untuk menggambarkan bagaimana sesuatu dibuat dalam langkah-langkah yang berurutan. The second is it provides a series of steps in sequence that explain the readers how to make something. Yang kedua adalah memberikan serangkaian langkah berurutan yang menjelaskan kepada pembaca bagaimana membuat sesuatu. The second is manual procedure text. This is the second type of procedure text. What is a manual procedure text? Manual procedure text is a book or pamphlet that contains an explanation of how something should be done with successive steps. Maksudnya adalah manual procedure text adalah buku atau pamflet yang berisi penjelasan tentang bagaimana sesuatu harus dilakukan dengan langkah-langkah yang berurutan.
Next, this is a generic structure of manual procedure text. The generic structure of manual procedure text is divided into three parts. The first is the goal or aim, the second is the material, and the third is the instruction. What is goal or aim? Goal or aim contains the purpose of doing or operating something. Goal atau tujuan mengandung maksud untuk melakukan atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. The second is the material. What is material? Material is the section describes the tasks we need to do, make or operate something. Material adalah bagian yang menjelaskan alat-alat yang kita perlukan untuk melakukan, membuat atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. And the third is instructions is this describes the set of instruction. Ini menjelaskan tentang instruksi. For example, let's look at the picture.
This is an image of a manual procedure text on how to use camera. How to use camera itu adalah bagian dari goal or aim. And then, a digital camera, DSLR camera or pocket camera, or the other camera that you have. And then the object, it is a material, itu adalah bagian dari material. Dan yang terakhir adalah step or method, yaitu handle the camera on turn on it. And then center the object in the LCD and manage the zoom control until you get the best view. When you are ready to take the picture, hold the shutter speed and various other calculation. Then a light should appear that let you know the camera is set to go. After that, press shutter all the way down.
Now, language picture of manual procedure text atau fitur kebahasaan dalam manual procedure text. The first one is using simple present tense. The second one is using adverbial of speech or using temporal adjective. And the third one is using imperative sentence or command. Okay friends, let's see the purpose of manual procedure text atau tujuan dari manual procedure text. The first, it is used to describe how something is done each step. Itu digunakan untuk menggambarkan bagaimana sesuatu dilakukan dengan urutan langkah-langkah. The second is, and it provides a series of steps in sketch that explain the readers how to do something. Yang kedua adalah memberikan serangkaian langkah-langkah berurutan yang menjelaskan kepada pembaca bagaimana melakukan sesuatu.
The following is a list of vocabulary in the recipe procedure text. Stir, pour, blend, mix, bake, slice, grate, beat, cook, combine, add, cut, rub, knead, simmer, grease, sieve, peel, whisk, cook, melt, heat, boil, measure, roll, wake, juice, dish, wash, pour, spread, press, mash, cream, tune, serve, procedure, recipe, method, ingredients, butter, sugar, flour, milk, eggs, etc.
Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.